Introducing Black Fox, LTIC's multispectral signature control stealth technology. Black Fox renders this battle tank invisible. The FLIR camera scans and captures the thermal texture of the vehicle's surroundings. The captured image is then processed in the main computer unit, the MCU. The whole system is managed by the central control unit. The result is delivered to the active plates to mimic the thermal texture of the II environment. And even if the plates are located near a high heat source, like the engine, the plate is unaffected and the whole vehicle remains invisible. Now we're invisible. Whatever the environment, whatever the speed, LTIC's signature control system modifies the thermal signature to render the platform invisible to IR threats. On steep slopes, the pan-tilt sensor detects the gradient angle, avoiding sky radiation and staying with the background. Black Fox can also create false situational awareness on the battlefield. How? By generating a fake thermal signature from a pre-programmed database. It can simulate the signature of other assets. A main battle tank can be made to look like a Humvee. Easily deployed on a wide variety of platforms, from battle tanks to APCs, helicopters and maritime craft, LTIC's Black Fox stealth technology can be fitted to a range of armor plating, including explosive reactive armor suites, taking protection to a whole new level.